Thank you.
Again, our Archbishop of Archdiocese, our honorable ministers who are present out here, our honorable MLAs from different constituencies, especially our local MLA, all the Reverend Fathers, all our friends who are gathered here to be part of this very auspicious and very important program. I would like to congratulate the Diocese of Jowai for taking the initiative to open up this health center, and whatever support we could give from our side, we have given, and I'm happy that this has come out in such a beautiful way, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in adding to the healthcare services that we need to give more and more to the people of not just this area but the state as a whole. So once again, we dedicate this to the people of this area.
Mai roi ma bless new yini madalam church pan shoy rai fly na kabas new amen utrai godring kat pati toniat wai utrai bkhoi to pa banan bol ko nei pom chukut to khmi snei kani ka si ka bakra kar khu ka do yang I barolang kar pang ya kani ka center dau pres utrai chungi ka chin kan pu chung nei banan bol barok pa bar khon ban masem bakhoi un ka khu ka do ya ki baro amen.